Today, cloud computing has significantly reduced development time and increased innovation speed. Developers no longer have to worry about the hardware setup, scaling, and maintenance, but can focus on building truly differentiated applications and software. Udacity's new Cloud Developer Nanodegree program teaches you all the practical skills necessary to build and deploy production-ready cloud-native apps on AWS. In just a few short months, you'll learn how to build cloud-native full-stack apps on AWS, refactor monolithic apps to microservices, and how to develop a serverless application. You will learn how to scale your app using Kubernetes and how to deploy code using CI/CD pipeline. Enroll now to benefit from Udacity's flexible learning options. You'll have access to a one-on-one technical mentor, a career coach, and career services. Enroll in Udacity's Cloud Developer Nanodegree program today.